Looking expensive doesn't have to be expensive. Here are 7 ways to look expensive, even on a budget. Stay to the end for one detail that can make an otherwise great outfit look cheap. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, focus on classic styles, not trends. Avoid fast fashion and invest in timeless basics that will never go out of style. A classic wardrobe lays the foundation for an expensive look. 2. Prioritize fit. Even simple items look more refined when they fit well. Take time to review your wardrobe and try on your clothes. Decide what fits well, what needs tailoring, and what to get rid of. Take note of what styles and brands are most flattering on you. 3. Choose quality fabrics. Opt for natural fabrics like cotton, linen, wool, and silk over synthetics. These fabrics not only look better but also last longer. 4. Stick to neutrals. Classic neutral colors like black, gray, navy, and beige go with everything and look expensive. Avoid flashy colors and loud prints. 5. Pay attention to grooming. Never underestimate the power of well-groomed hair and nails, as well as basic skincare and a light fragrance. Good grooming not only makes you look good, but boosts your confidence too. 6. Wear a dial watch. Watches are a favorite accessory for many men. They're the perfect balance of practicality and style and can instantly add sophistication to any look. 7. Invest in high-quality shoes. A good pair of shoes elevates your entire outfit. Look for classic styles like Oxfords or Derbies in leather and maintain them with regular cleaning and polishing. And that one detail that can undo your whole outfit? Wrinkles can make even the most expensive outfit look cheap. Keep your wardrobe sharp by ironing or steaming. Did we forget anything? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.